Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to add custom notification sounds in Android phone. I'm going to open in my Android phone settings and tapping on notifications, tapping on app notifications, and for example, I'm opening message, tapping on notification categories, tapping on incoming messages, tapping on sound. And as you can see, here is no option to add or upload custom notification sounds. And here's how you can easily add custom notification sounds. First of all, you have to download the custom notification sounds. Once you successfully download it, now open your file manager and open internal storage. Under internal storage, scroll down and search for this notification folder. If you don't have this notification folder, just create one. Tap on this three dot and just tap on create folder and rename the folder notifications and then create this folder. Once done, now we have to move our custom notification sounds into this notification folder. So I'm going to my download folder. And here is my custom notification. Now I'm selecting the custom notification, tapping on move, and now going to the notification folder and just tapping on move here. As you can see, I've successfully moved this notification, and this notification name is simple notification. Now let's use this custom notification. To do that, again go to your settings and now again tap on sound, and here under custom you will see the notification you just imported. So this is how we can easily use custom notification in our Android phone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.